3,600 people have died from opioid overdoses in Arizona since 2010. And here to tell us more about this important topic is Dr. Joseph Gimbel with Arizona Research Center. Good morning.
Good morning.
So tell me a little bit about what's being done to address this big problem.
Well, as you said, 3,600 people have died since 2010. Last year, or year 2015, almost 2 a day died. And the numbers keep increasing. Interestingly, there was just an article in the Republic this past Sunday about the physician overprescribing of narcotics as one of the main causes of addiction. The Arizona Board of Pharmacy now has a program where every drug is listed, so as a physician can now go onto this database and see what their patient is taking, how long they've been taking it, and who was the doctor that prescribed it. So that's been really helpful.
So they're tracking it a little bit more.
They're tracking it much better. But 90% of kids that misuse drugs usually get them from friends and family. And 4 out of 5 heroin users start out by misusing drugs. Prescription drugs. So it's really a rapid, it's a major problem. And Arizona is the 3rd highest state for oxycodone use per capita. And that's out of all 50 states. So it's really a major problem here in Arizona. And
there's something new out there that's helping with this problem, right?
Yeah, this was really great. Last year, a bill was passed. There's a drug called naloxone, which actually reverses the narcotic overdose. And this can be given in a spray intranasally. It's now available over the counter. So if you have a child who you feel is addicted or you're concerned that they're going to overdose, you should have this product at home. Or you should have this product so that it's available to you, or you can get it, a family member can get it, or somebody in the community who is concerned about somebody who has an overdosing or addiction problem. This is available now. It costs about $100 a dose, but on our website we have, I think, some coupons where you can get this at a discounted rate. But the fact that this is available is really will hopefully save hundreds of lives in the future.
Right. And are you doing clinical trials to help with this, or are you working on other clinical trials currently?
One of the main trials that I'm really fascinating about is a drug that works differently than a narcotic, but it gives you more pain relief with less side effects. Actually, the problem with the drug is it's too good. What it does is it makes you insensitive to pain. Now, that's also a positive and a negative, because we had patients that would take this drug, they could hardly walk into the clinic, and a month later they're hiking the Grand Canyon.
Oh, my.
So obviously that's a problem, because they can do damage to their joints. But the drug itself is amazing, because it does treat pain, and if you get the drug, within a week, your pain, 50 to 80% of it is reduced with minimal side effects. The fact that the FDA put this trial on hold for 5 years to evaluate the problem with overuse because people couldn't feel the pain was a problem as far as I was concerned, because I would think how many people must have died in that 5-year period of time because these types of drugs were not available.
So many fascinating things going on in medicine right now. Yeah. Thank you for sharing these with us.
We're doing like 500 bunions now too with these types of drugs, which will be really available.
Thank you so much, Doctor. And if you'd like more details on Arizona Research Center, you can visit them online at azresearchcenter.com or call the number on your screen.